Hi Diamond Divas! Welcome to Wanda's Workbasket for all things creative and crafty with a little bit of inspiration mixed in. If you're new to Wanda's Workbasket, I invite you to like and subscribe. And liking a video just tells YouTube that others who like diamond painting might want to see this one as well. So this is a Serbia landscape. It's made by Riolis. I got this at, was it Joann's or Michael's? You can get them at Joann's, Michael's, and Hobby Lobby, and wherever diamond dots are sold. And it's looks absolute gorgeous, and I love the way they come. It does have a Cyrillic alphabet on it as well as English. It gives you the dimensions of the mosaic, which would be 15 3/4 by 15 3/4 inches, or 40 by 40 square. Okay, it's not a very big one, but it is a colorful one with the beauty of landscape. Now, let me see if I can get this box open. There's some tape at the top and the bottom. Okay. It has a full description of how to diamond paint on the back. And this is a square diamond painting. I love squares. If you get squares from a good company like this one, you don't have to worry about whether they'll be popping all over the place. There's only a few places I trust for square diamonds, and this is one of them. I've done a Riolis before. It was a rose painting. Let's look at the canvas quickly here before we see the drills. It is a poured glue canvas. You can tell by the clear cover. I am going to roll it the other way around so that the canvas straightens out. It's got a stiff canvas like Diamond Dots canvases. And it's got a instruction sheet, which I'll show you in a moment. It may look a little rumply when you first unroll it, but I assure you that will flatten out in no time at all. At the bottom of the painting, you have their inventory number, and you have one key on this side, on the top left-hand side. You have a pinked and poked edge, which means it won't fray. Look at the beauty. The beauty of this. It has a checkerboard roof. Red checkerboard roof. Isn't that neat? It's got haystacks at the bottom. Can you see the whole thing here? It's got haystacks at the bottom. It's got flowers in the garden and flower bushes. It's got greenery and fields. And it's got like the top of a church poking out from behind the bushes. Oh, I love the way this painting is set up. It's got 4 haystacks, 5. So there's an odd number there. You have a little path. You have an odd number of houses. You have 1, 2, 3. You have 1 steeple sticking up. And it really rolls your eye around the painting. The bushes here, the fields in the backgrounds, and the flowers up close and in the distance. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Excuse me, I needed some tea. Okay. Absolutely beautiful. It looks like the instructions come in at least three different languages. Oh, 6 different languages, including English. They are just written instructions because they have the beautiful pictures on the back. Let me see if there's anything in here. A rhinestone painting and beautiful mosaic tech. Please read the manual to avoid mistakes. Before you start, make sure that your kit has all the items that you need. We're going to do that right now. Numbers on top of the zip bags correspond to the table, the chart on the painting. Certain colors have 2 or 3 bags. Place it on a flat surface and stretch it out, pressing some heavy object like a book on the corners. Note that the canvas cannot be ironed. Yes, do not iron your canvases, or you'll get glue everywhere and it will unstick. Okay, only peel back the number of, a corner of the drills that you're going to use. And I like to outline it in washi tape so that the corners, the lines are nice and crisp and even on the sides. Let's take a look at the drills. It comes with the name of it in English and Cyrillic, and it comes with the inventory number on it as well. Ooh, we got a tweezers. Let me see. Let me see what comes in this kit. Packed so well. These are some of my favorite colors too. Yellows, oranges, greens. Okay, this is the tweezers it comes with. It's a nice tweezers. They're semi-pointy on the end, but it is a nice style tweezers with a bent tip. It comes with a if you'd like to dump out your drills in like one of the diamonds, I know DIY Moon has strips that these diamonds fit in, so you can put out your drills ahead of time. It comes with the typical pen and squishy with wax in a plate, a typical green boat, but it has a hole at this end so that you can drain them out into the baggies easily, and you have kitting up baggies as well. And I noticed another thing in this kit. These have your key in a strip, in a sticker strip. You just have to cut them apart when you put them on the baggies. Okay? It has the inventory number. It has the symbol. And looking at the symbols here, they're very clear to see. Very clear on the chart as well to differentiate between the colors. I'll let you know if I have any problems with that as I'm doing it. But also the DMC, the color number on the edge. It does look like DMC. They're not in numerical order, but that doesn't matter. It looks like they're in some kind of color order on this. I do not see any special drills. We'll have to see if there is one. I like to keep this in the bag with the drills until I'm ready to use it. Alright. I will show you the side of the bag with the number on it because some people like to see that. In case they want to switch any number out with special drills, then you have the number ahead of time. Beautiful, beautiful colors. The shades of green in this are absolutely wonderful. Look at that, look at that. Look at the shades of green. From pine and olive to chartreuse. And you have a white and beige in there. I'm going to add these back to the bag as we look at them. We affectionately call these drill trains. Because they just chug along here. Oh, I'm not showing you the color number, am I? Sorry. Promised you I would and I didn't. I hesitate to do that because you can't see enough of the color that way. The bands are so big across the top. How about I do both? How about I do both? Look at those bright pinky oranges. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. The drills are so shiny and so bright, as you would expect from good kits. I love that it's square. The thing about squares is they cover the entire canvas, unlike rounds do, but from a distance you really can't tell the difference between the two. And you really do need to look at these paintings from a distance because it's like looking at an impressionist painting made with a series of dots. The further away you get from the painting up to a point, the better you see it. If you go up close to the painting, you see the individual dots in it. And it's not meant to be looked at up close and personal like that. So, I know Riolis is a good kit. It really is a beautiful, beautiful kit. I did a rose. One of the first paintings that I did was a rose. Absolutely gorgeous. Yep, I'm going to try to get this to roll up in the center. Is there anything on the instructions that are different from other instructions that I've seen? Oh, okay. If you want to store your canvas, after the drills are on there, you roll them to the outside, because if you roll them to the inside, they crunch against each other and pop off. Upon completion of your work, to add extra gloss and improve the mosaic attachment, you may cover the painting surface with transparent acrylic varnish from aerosol containers. Yeah, they recommend a spray varnish. I also like Minwax polycrylic, and I have other videos on on sealing your diamond paintings, and I will have a new one coming up. I bought some products that say specifically that they're diamond painting sealers. I want to compare and contrast them on a painting and show you the results of that at that time. Alright, I'm going to roll this back up. Thank you for joining me today at Wanda's Workbasket. Please like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things, as Christopher says, and so that YouTube can recommend my channel to others who also like diamond painting. Alright, thank you for showing up, and I wish you the blessings of a beautiful day. Bye, divas.